This first priority on Marian, fish, sea turtle, insects, and other small animals. Now, if familiar ko siya word, o na siya pwede na nasa show ni Kuya King, nga matang lawin.
Local
Its scientific name is Polyester Indus. And that is it for Robinica and Kingdom. Now up next is our largest raptor here in Cebu Ocean Park. Presenting our white-bellied seagull named Adi. Please look to your left. Now, Adi right there can be found in Southeast Asia and Australia. In Australia, there is the largest raptor, having a wingspan of 2.2 meters.
Look, the same.
Again, I would like to request everybody to please sit down. Thank you. Now, these birds can be distinguished from their white-headed body and a gray wing forming a V shape. Now, these birds primarily feed on fish, sea turtles, and sea snakes. That's why they were called sea eagles.
Lance, look, Lance, it will fly.
Now,
How
in
are
terms
you?
of birds of prey, female eagles are usually larger than males. That is because of its nesting and rearing behavior. Again, I would like to request everybody to please settle down. And please, kindly settle down. Thank you. Now, as you notice, our trainers are wearing gloves. Now, those gloves is called the butterweight gauntlet. It is used to protect their arms from their shadow talents and wings.
Yes,
Now,
sit
ready
down.
your camera as Aki will fly down once more. Again, I would like to request everybody to please sit down. Thank you. And there you go, our white-bellied seagull named Adi. Now, for more flyers, please look to your left as we call on our homing pigeons. Now, homing pigeons are going to make homing ability. Wherever they go, they can always go back its partner and nest. Now, these birds have a special sense called magnetoreception, where they can locate attitude, location, and direction. And that is it for raptors and homing pigeons. Now, guys, do you want more? Again, do you want more? Representing our very unique bird here in Cebu Ocean Park, our Philippine Rufous Hornbill named Zero.
Oh, hornbill. Look,
Cheers!